Hello everyone. You know what time it is. Let's do it. Okay everyone, this is part 7B. Well everybody, yes, that's me. Watch. I can box. Can. What's this one?
الصوت عالي يا زلمة. البس طيب.
I can shoot. I can shoot guns. Can you swim? Can you box? Can you shoot guns? Can you speak English? Can you? Whatever. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Right? Stop the video. Talk to your partner. Play the video. For example, can you run very fast? Yes, I can. No, I can't, but I can jump really high. Right? Let's continue. Okay, everyone, now look at the picture. What do you see? A policeman. A lady driving a car. Good. What are they talking about? What is the police saying? Look at the sign. It says no parking. And the police is like, move. Huh? What about the second picture? What do you see? Oh yeah, a lady, a man, they are talking on the phone, yes. And the lady is thinking about a romantic date, huh? There's a candle. A romantic date, huh? Okay. Very nice. So maybe the lady is inviting the man to a romantic dinner. Huh? Good. Now look at the conversations, everyone. Listen and check.
3.15. 1.
Excuse me, you can't park there.
No? Why not?
The sign says no parking.
Oh, I'm sorry, officer. Where can I park near here?
You can park over there, ma'am, in the parking lot.
Thank you, officer. 2.
Hi, Matt.
Hi. Who's this?
It's me, Ellie. How are you?
Oh, fine, thanks.
Matt, can you come to dinner on Friday?
On Friday? Oh, I'm really sorry. I can't come. It's my girlfriend's birthday.
Your girlfriend?
Yes, Lucy, from work.
Oh, Lucy.
Sorry about dinner.
That's okay. Bye.
Emotional damage. Okay, very nice. Now, everybody listen again. Read the dialogues. Answer the questions. There are 6 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why does the policeman speak to the woman? Where does the woman park at the end of the conversation? Is the policeman angry with her? What's Ellie's plan for Friday? Does Matt say yes or no to Ellie? Why? Is Ellie happy or sad at the end of the conversation? Okay, and look at the dialogues 1 and 2 and complete the sentences. For example, you can park over there, ma'am, in the parking lot. All right? So listen again and answer.
3.15. 1.
Excuse me, you can't park there.
No? Why not?
The sign says no parking.
Oh, I'm sorry, officer. Where can I park near here?
You can park over there, ma'am, in the parking lot.
Thank you, officer. 2.
Hi, Matt.
Hi, who's this?
It's me, Ellie. How are you?
Oh, fine, thanks.
Matt, can you come to dinner on Friday?
On Friday? Oh, I'm really sorry. I can't come. It's my girlfriend's birthday.
Your girlfriend?
Yes, Lucy, from work.
Oh, Lucy.
Sorry about dinner.
That's okay. Bye.
Okay, now check your answers with your partner. Now let's answer together. Why does the policeman speak to the woman? It's because she's parking in a no parking area. Where does the woman park at the end of the conversation? In the parking lot. Is the policeman angry with her? Yes, he is. What's Ellie's plan for Friday? To have dinner with Matt. Does Matt say yes or no to Ellie? Why? He says no, because it's his girlfriend's birthday. Emotional damage. Is Ellie happy or sad at the end of the conversation? She's sad. Oh, he has a girlfriend. Okay, now you can park over there, ma'am, in the parking lot. This one, excuse me, you can't park there. I'm really sorry. I can't come. And the question, can you come to the dinner on Friday? Where can I park near here? Good. Let's continue. Now everyone can and can't. You remember, I can box, I can shoot guns. All right, so let's get down to business. Listen and repeat.
3.16.
You can park here.
You can't park here.
He can come to dinner tonight.
He can't come to dinner tonight.
We can have lunch outside.
We can't have lunch outside.
Can I park here?
Yes, you can. No, you can't.
Where can I park? Can they come to dinner?
Yes, they can. No, they can't.
When can you come to dinner?
Well done, everybody. So, positive, you can park here. Negative, you can't park here. Question, yes or no? Can I park here? Yes, you can. No, you can't. And with WH, what, when, how, where can I park? When can you come to dinner? Or what time can I meet you? Now, can you come to dinner tonight, Mark? Okay, you in here means Mark. You can't swim here. You, people in general, rule. Next one, can't means cannot. It's the contraction, can't. You can't, you cannot. Next one, use can and can't for permission or possibility. You can park here, you have permission. You can't park here, you don't have permission. I can come to dinner tonight, it's possible, it's okay. I can't come to dinner tonight, it isn't possible, I have to study. I have to go to work, right? Next one, use can and can't plus verb. You can use your phone over here, not you can to use. So just can and verb. They can't come to dinner, not they can't to come. And last one, do not use do, does in question with can. Can I park here? Can I park here? You don't use, no. Do and does, no with can. Where can I park? And can and can't is the same for I, you, he, she, it. She can send personal emails to at work, not she can't. Important. Time to practice. Okay? Write sentences with can or can't, negative, question, or positive. Complete the sentences with can or can't and a verb from the list. Stop the video. Do it. Check with your partner. Let's do it together. Number 1. Can we sit here? You can't ski in the summer. Molly can play soccer with us tomorrow. 4. Can you have lunch with me tomorrow? 5. You can use my cell phone. 6. We can't park here. 7. Can we watch TV tonight after dinner? 8. He can't go to the movies tonight. Okay, part B. I can't drive to work today. My sister has the car. Sorry, I can't hear you very well. Can you repeat that, please? 3. Can we swim today? No, the water is very cold, or the water is very cold. 4. The restaurant's near here. We can walk there. 5. This is hard work. Can we take a break now? 6. Look at that house. Is it 511 Main Street or 517 Main Street? I can't see the number. I don't have my glasses. 7. Can you come to dinner at my house on Saturday? I'm sorry, I can't. It's my mother's birthday. Excuse me, you can't take photos in the museum. Sorry. All right, excellent. Nicely done. Well done. Next part, everybody listen and practice.
3.17. Cat. Ah. Can I park here?
Yes, you can.
No, you can't.
You can't park here.
Computer. Where can I park?
You can park here.
Nicely done. Now everybody just listen. Just listen. Look at the difference.
3.18.
Listen.
1. A. We can park here. B. We can't park here. 2. A.
I can help you.
B.
I can't help you.
3. A. You can sit here. B. You can't sit here. 4. A.
Mark can go with me.
B.
Mark can't go with me.
Well done. Now listen, circle A or B.
3.19. 1. We can park here. 2.
I can help you.
3. You can't sit here. 4.
Mark can go with me.
Okay, check your answers. We can park here. I can help you. You can't sit here. Mark can go with me. All right, now ask and answer questions with a partner. Give affirmative, positive, or negative, or short answers. For example, Jimmy, can I park here? No, you can't. Jimmy, can you come to the dinner with me? Yes, I can. Practice with your partner. Okay, moving on. Now look at these two signs. What do they mean? Okay, this one means you can't park here. This one, I don't know. I think, for example, you can have coffee over here or something. I don't know. All right? So in the next part, everybody listen and repeat.
3.20. 1,
Take a break.
2,
Change money.
3,
Use the internet.
4,
Take photos.
5,
Drive.
6,
Pay by credit card.
7,
Park.
8,
Come.
9,
See.
10.
Hear.
Well done. Excellent. Now, everyone, in pairs, complete the sentences with a verb. Look at the signs. Use the verbs. Stop the video. Do it. Check with your partner. Let's do it together. Number 1, you can't swim here. Number 2, you can pay by credit card here. Number 3, you can't use your cell phone here. Number 4, you can change money here. Number 5, you can't drive fast here. Number 6, you can use the internet here. Number 7, you can't take photos here. And number 8, you can't play soccer here. Soccer or football. Okay, everybody, speaking and writing. Now, ask the questions with a partner at school. Can you come into class if you're late? Can you go home for lunch? Can you use your phone in the class? At work, can you start and finish work when you want? Can you send personal emails? Can you take a break when you want? Can you listen to the radio? At home, can you go out with friends after midnight? Can you watch TV during dinner? Can you get up late during the week? Can you wear shoes in the house? Okay, nicely done. Speak with your partner. Well done. Writing. Write 2 things you can do and 2 things you can't do at school, at work, or at home. 2 things that you can do, 2 things that you can't do at work, at school, and at home. This is your homework. For example, at work, I can go home at 4 on Fridays, and I can't listen to the radio. At home, I can't use my phone after 10, but I can study or read a book. That's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope that you liked this episode. If you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment down there and subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best. You're doing good. Consistency. Continue. Don't quit. Little by little, your English will be perfect. I promise you. If you don't quit.